This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.